The Traceable Designer No-Sew Scalloped and Scarf Valance Kit includes patented, traceable forms used to make perfectly shaped custom valances without sewing. Make scalloped cornice-style valances or create swag panels to hang with unique decorative scarf accents. Creating professional-looking custom valances without sewing is easier than you may think. Select fabric to match your decor, then use the included iron-on adhesive to attach lining to the back of your fabric section. Position the design form sizing line, then trace around the edges. Then simply follow the trace line to cut out your valance. Make a rod pocket, glue on trim, and hang using a standard metal curtain rod. Add center sections to the scallop style to fit wide windows, or make individual swag panels to hang with unique decorative scarf accents. Make any number of swag panels to fit your window size. You can even make separate side panels for a layered cornice style valance. This versatile home decorating kit also includes no-sew table decorating design forms. Make custom table accents to match your valances. Style-specific video tutorials are available on YouTube. When custom no-sew decorating is this easy, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.